There are two types of okra. What we have here is thin ones. There are also some small ones out there. Those are the best to use for curries. If this happens, then these are perfect for salad or for sabzi. I'm using today for sabzi recipe. So for this okra recipe today, I am going to wash the okra first. Then I'm going to pat dry them. While they dry, I'm going to get ready the rest of the ingredients. It's not a saucy recipe. In India, this is known as bhaji. Basically, it's like a dry recipe of okra. I'm going to cut them not too short and not too long. I think that's fine. When the okra is not fresh, when you can't break it, you can still use it for kurkuri recipe. If you want the recipe, I'm going to link it in the description below, so you have a look there. Kurkuri basically means crispy fried okra. It can be really nice and tasty. I can make that recipe as well in the future if you want me to. Meanwhile, I'm going to just add that link in my description, and that is my favorite recipe of kurkuri okra. So guys, I have all my ingredients ready right here. I'm going to make this recipe. This is the simplest recipe you can find. It's so tasty. So let's just start. Put the cooker on. I'm going to start by adding the oil as usual. So we add, that's about enough. We make sure the oil gets hot as usual. There are so many recipes out there on the internet. You can find plenty of them. What I'm going to do today is one of the easiest recipes. As you can see, just a few ingredients here. So first we're going to add the onion. We're going to cook the onion well. Onion is ready. I'm just going to add the spices. So we're going to add the garlic first. Fresh cumin powder. Turmeric powder. 2 whole chilies. You can chop them if you want this to be spicy, but I prefer to leave them like this today. Mix well. Oops. I'm going to add the okra now. And stir in well, gently. Or you might want to do that. So I'm going to cook the okra now for a while with a lid on a medium heat. Roughly about 5 to 6 minutes we have to cook this. So it's already been 5 minutes, which is incredible for such an amazing recipe. I don't want to cook it too long. We want them to be cooked but not overcooked. For the end, I'm going to add the salt now, give it a nice mix. I left the salt until the end so the okra doesn't release any water. And this is done. I'm just going to plate it now. There we go. It looks amazing, it smells amazing. Okay, so it looks like this. I'm going to try this. So good. Can I have more? So you can serve this with anything. I prefer to serve this with white rice. It's delicious, it's fresh, and you don't really need anything else. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Try it yourself, let me know how it was, and I'll see you in the next video.